Hey friends, if you wish to delete contacts in Gmail, then please watch this video. Now there is no option to delete contacts in Gmail itself. So you will have to go to an associated website called contacts.google.com and log in with the same ID. See, if you are logged into Gmail, you will be automatically logged into Google Contacts, but you need to make sure that you are at the right ID. So once you're there, you will be directed to the contact section automatically. All you need to do is click on the three dots associated with the contact and select delete. Okay, and click on move to trash. Okay, and if you want to permanently delete it, go to the trash folder and then click on this option here to check this one and then select empty trash now, or you can also select delete forever for individual contacts, but if you select empty trash now, it will delete all of the contacts at once. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.